Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Data Wing on your Android device. If you want to enjoy the fast-paced neon racing game Data Wing on your Android device, then downloading it is super quick and easy. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then launch open your Google Play Store. Inside your Play Store, tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen. In the search bar at the top, type in Data Wing and search. From the search results, tap on the Data Wing game from Dan Vogt and then tap on the install button to start downloading the app on your Android. Wait for the application to install on your device, which will take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once it's installed, tap on Play to play the game. You can now sign in with your Google Play Games account and then access necessary settings and tap on Continue. Right after you do that, you can then go ahead and select the language on the next page and follow through the prompts, and you'll then be able to download and start playing the Data Wing game on your Android device. And there you have it. That is how you can easily install Data Wing on Android in just a couple of steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.